Yes, kids, I agree with you. It's way too hot. What do you want? Do you want some juice? Or should I make some dessert for you? And something to eat? Tell me, what do you want? Can you please make lemonade for us? It's so refreshing as always. And it's very easy to make, so you can make quickly. Oh, Aurora, why you always want lemonade? I'm so bored of lemonade. Mom, can you please make some strawberry juice? Anna, strawberry juice is so sweet. I don't like sweet juices. Instead, we can have orange juice. Aurora will also like. It's a bit tangy. Kids, stop fighting. Why you guys always have to fight on small things? And there are 3 different drinks. I'm not going to make 3 different drinks. Let's call the decision wheel to decide which drink I'm going to make. Should I make a strawberry juice, a lemonade, or an orange juice? The decision is to make an orange juice. So kids, I'm going to make chilled fresh orange juice for you. Kids, now you guys go and play for some time. Till then, I'll make this fresh orange juice and along with it some fries for you. Now, let me go and take out the ingredients for orange juice. Now, for orange juice, let me take out some oranges. 4 or 5 should be enough. Some ice cubes and some sugar. Kids like sweet juices. Now, let me take out the juicer. Where is the juicer? It's been some time I have made some juices. Oh, here it is. Let me take it out. Now let me peel the oranges. And now, let me put these peeled oranges, some sugar and some ice cube into the juicer and make the juice out of it. And ta-da! Chilled orange juices are ready. Let me call the kids as early as possible so that they can have these fresh orange juices quickly. Kids, orange juices are ready. Come here. Wow, Mom, this orange juice is looking so yummy and chilled. Thank you, Mom, for making such a wonderful orange juice for us.